after 12 long years, the government finally coming out and taking this step as far as the opposition is concerned. Well, they've come out and welcomed the step, but questioned the huge delay in it. Let's also get to you this reaction coming in. CRPF Assistant Sub-Inspector Santosh Kumar was the one who single-handedly gunned down 3 of the 5 terrorists who were helped and supplied by Afzal Guru. We are now getting you an exclusive interview to Headlines today. In fact, he spoke with our correspondent, Jugal Purohit.
We have with us the brave man from CRPF. Please tell us, sir, today Afzal Guru has been hanged. Government has declared that he is dead. Finally, the case has been closed. What is your feeling today, sir?
इस बात पे मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि न्यायपालिका ने जो अपना डिसीजन दिया है वो डिसीजन बहुत अच्छा है और डिसीजन से हम फिलहाल संतुष्ट हैं। इसमें मेरा यही कहना है कि हम इस डिसीजन से बहुत संतुष्ट हैं।
My second question to you is, on that day when you were there at the parliament, how did it all happen? How did it start?
उस टाइम सीआरपीएफ की 23 बटालियन वहाँ पे तैनात थी। तो मेरा जो पोजीशन है, मेरा 6 नंबर आयरन गेट के ऊपर मेरी ड्यूटी थी। 11 से 1 बजे तक के बीच में मेरी ड्यूटी का टाइम था उस समय। 11:30 बजे के बाद जो उस समय मैं ड्यूटी पे खड़ा था तो अचानक मुझे गोलियों की आवाज़ सुनाई दी। कुछ देर के बाद एक धमाका हुआ। फिर मैंने जिस तरफ से गोलियों की आवाज़ आ रही थी उस तरफ ध्यान दिया तो दीवार एक था। दीवार के ऊपर से 4 लड़के AK-47 हाथ में लिए हुए और बैग टांगा हुआ था उन्होंने। चारों टेररिस्ट एक तरफ भागते हुए 9 नंबर गेट की तरफ जा रहे थे। तो 9 नंबर गेट की तरफ भागते हुए जाए तो उसी समय मैंने अपना जो संतरी मोर्चा था उस साइड में एक पेड़ था, पेड़ की आड़ में मैं चला गया। SLR राइफल था मेरे पास। वहाँ से फिर मैंने एम ले लेके उनके ऊपर फायर चालू किया तो वो भागते हुए 9 नंबर पोर्च के नीचे खड़े हो गए थे। वहाँ से उन्होंने जवाबी कार्रवाई की। तो ये 2 फायर चलता रहा आपस में। तो वहाँ पे 3 आतंकवादियों को मैंने एक एक करके फायर किया था। उसमें से 27 राउंड्स मैंने चलाए थे। एक आतंकवादी है वो भागते हुए आगे निकल गया 5 नंबर गेट की तरफ। तो वहाँ पे हमारे सीआरपीएफ के दूसरे भाइयों ने, जवानों ने, उन्होंने वहाँ पे उसको मार गिराया। तो ये घटना थी उस समय की।
Three terrorists were shot down by you in your encounter with them.
जी हाँ, उसमें से 3 को मैंने मारा था।
Just tell me, after that incident, after you managed to successfully kill 3 terrorists and save the parliament that day from something which would have perhaps been the most outrageous thing, what all medals, what all citations have you been given? Your bravery, how has it been recognized?
जी उस समय मेरे को कांस्टेबल था, आउट ऑफ टर्न प्रमोशन देके हेड कांस्टेबल मेरे को बनाया गया और राष्ट्रपति मेडल जो है शौर्य चक्र ये मुझे मिला था।
After that day, how has your life changed?
जी हाँ, उसके बाद गर्व महसूस होता है। उसके बाद काफ़ी इज्जत मिला। सीआरपी में भी कहीं भी बाहर जाते हैं तो लोग पहचानने लगे हैं। उसके अलावा एक संतुष्टि मिलती है कि उस दिन जो मैंने काम किया वो अपनी तरफ से अपने देश की रक्षा के लिए मैंने ठीक किया।
Thank you so much. So there you see D. Santosh Kumar, now an assistant sub-inspector with the CRPF, recounting his days when he foiled Afzal Guru's designs. With Ankur Arora, Jugal Purohit in New Delhi for Headlines Today.
Jugal Purohit, in fact, now joins us here on this broadcast. Jugal, in more senses than one, this is not just a closure for the families of the martyrs, but also people like this ASI, in fact, that he was speaking to. It's about a closure. It's about life coming full circle, law finally and justice finally having been delivered.
Absolutely, Nida. In fact, in all the chaos and the noises that we hear from the political side and from the side of some of the parties interested in this case, like activists and also the other sides which have represented them legally, this is one side, Nida, which seldom gets to speak given the official conditions in which they serve, in which they're not supposed to speak, but for the obvious. And this time around, what he has actually come out and said, thanks to the CRPF's top leadership, which decided that it was time that a story of this type should come out and the nation should know of the sacrifices being made by the men in uniform who continue to guard the parliament building that you see behind me, actually goes to tell you the sentiments which are often unheard. And clearly such cases, while they of course help government settle scores, clearly also go down as a great morale booster and an encouragement for these men who continue to guide our vital areas and vital installations.
Absolutely. Jugal, we'll keep returning to you for the very latest emerging on the story. Right now, we'll have to leave it there. Finally, the government coming out and acting, taking this decision. In fact, this was a mercy petition that was turned down by the President Pranab Mukherjee on the 3rd of February, setting the ball rolling really for this decision, for this event to unfold today morning.